Hey YouTube, Campervan Kevin here. Well, today I'm at the van build in Parker, Arizona. What am I doing? Well, I'm going to be putting on solar on my RV after all. I've decided to go with three 305 watt panels. Arizona Wind and Solar's having a special on them. $175, $179 each. That's it. I didn't even have to go get them. It's here at the van build, and another person had to go up and get some, so I paid for their gas. They brought me back my panels. Worked out pretty good. Well, I put $20 toward their gas. That was an 8-hour round trip. But a lot of people needed parts and material, so it all worked out. So this is Jamie's bus right here. And a lot of people got panels. I've already taken one over. And these other two right here are mine. This beautiful sunrise this morning here. Yeah, I know. Don't ever film directly at the sun. Kind of give you a pan around where I'm at. So what happened is I have decided they're rebuilding that van to give away. Very nice people here. So what has happened is I decided to go to a welding shop and have aluminum L channel welded to the top of my panels instead of bolting it on. And I found a welder just the other day. So we're going to take them up there this morning and get the channels put on and probably install the panels as well up there. Okay, got the panels loaded up. That'll work. I left my door open. Everybody's still asleep except for this one guy. He come up and tried to pet the dogs while I was way over there. And I think Tucker, I think you woke up every single person here. But that's a good boy. Protecting the van and protecting your sisters. Yeah, good boy. But I think everybody's up now. They're saying, they're thinking there's 1,000 RVs here. 1,000, I don't know. I'd easily go a couple hundred, several hundred. Great event, great people. A lot of people trying to help people. A lot of people making new friends. Let's get on down the road. I'm into the Ace Hardware here at Parker. Got to get some hardware to lock these panels down. I'm going to use, I think these are 1/4 inch by 3/4. So get some washers and some lock nuts. So these will be 1/4 by 3/4 with 2 1/4 inch washers. Yeah, I never knew the name of these threaded washers. They're called stop nuts. Stop nuts. I've never seen one of these back out or fail. I don't think I need a lock washer as well. This will hold it. I may. All right. I've got 12 of these little things built. That's 2 per each side of each panel. I don't think I'll connect them together. I think just on the outside will be fine. That'll work. Just got to go pay the lady. $8 for hardware. What are you monkeys doing? You're supposed to be hiding. I didn't put the windshield cover in. I worked at a hardware store for a while. Sold plumbing and bath fixtures, jacuzzis, hot tubs, even toilets. One thing I don't like about this van is the locks. Aggravating. Man, did you give me something to eat? Tucker, this is a hardware store. They don't have food here. What they got? They got like nuts and bolts and saws and chains and all that kind of stuff. Nothing for dogs? Well, they have a pet section. Did you get me anything? No, Tucker, I didn't get you anything. I'm having to get nuts and bolts. Man, I got ripped off. You did not get ripped off, Tucker. I give you lots and lots of love and food. No toys? Martini takes your toys. I'm tired of talking to you. Baby MaeMae's good morning, love. Hey, Daddy. I feel good today. Are you still sneezing a lot? Not near as much as yesterday. All that dust made my nose tickle. There's my Martini. Had a dog harness up there in the free pile at a lady's RV. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, yours is just about wore out. So now you got you a new one. Let's get this show on the road. Dad? Yeah, Tuck. I love you, man. I love you too, Tuck. Do you feel a little guilty? I don't feel guilty, not one little bit. Headed 95 north, Lake Havasu. I got on the phone, got in touch, found a welder, and he's gonna cut me the brackets and tack them on. We might stop for a biscuit. I'm just saying, we might. It's a little known fact. Burger King has pretty good breakfast. Sausage biscuit. $1 a piece. Even better with ketchup. One for me, one for the babies. After all, they had to put up with me all day. Gas, $2.79 a gallon in Parker, Arizona. Now I got you something, Tuck. Man, you're the best. I love you, Daddy. I love you too, Tuck. So everybody's gonna get a bite. Tucker, you like ketchup on yours, don't you? I like jelly on my sausage. Well, you're getting ketchup. Here you go, baby MaeMae. Thank you, Daddy. What's a big bite? Here you go, martinis. Parker Walmart's hopping this morning. Bunch of RVs out there. Hey, there's Greg with the cockatoo. Skipper. Almost to the welding shop. Made it with 10 minutes to spare. Gosh, I hate being late for anything. If I'm a minute late, I'd rather not be there at all. I don't know this guy. He may or may not want to be filmed. Probably won't. Welding shop. So we'll see. Making room for the Promaster. So I'll go ahead and pull on in here. I'm a little concerned. Thank you for licking my hand and messing up the camera, Tuck. You're welcome. I'm a little concerned that we may have used too thin a metal. I think he said he ordered 1/8 inch thick, 1.5 inch, a 20-foot stick. I may have wished I went with 1/4 inch thick. Measured the door, made sure that I'd fit. Like I said, I doubt that he's going to want to be on camera whatsoever. So I don't know how much I'll be able to show you guys. Nice shop, huh? All right, well, I'm here with Dan, my welder. Here's the angle iron right here that we're going to use. This is, I think this is an 1/8 inch, or is that quarter?
1/8 inch.
All right. So brackets will be going up soon.
Once you subscribe and
Here we go, cutting the metal. He's measuring and measuring again. Nice having the right tools. I told everybody this morning I feel like I'm cheating on my welder back home. I'm loyal to him. He's took real good care of me for many years.
I understand that. Believe me, I appreciate it.
I'm a loyal person, but he's 2,500 miles away or so.
Yeah.
I was worried that this metal wasn't going to be thick enough, but now that I'm touching it, feeling it, and picking it up, it's going to be very, very strong. That'll work. All right, Dan's up there making the measurements. Measured the panels, measured the L bracket, L channel. Now he's marking the ladder rack. So we got the grinder up there. He's marking where the L bracket's going to go, L channel, and he got his grinder up there. He's going to grind the paint off the top of those supports so he can weld to them. Got the first channel up. He's measuring to make sure it's the right distance forward to back. We're gonna let it hang 1.5 inches over the front and 1.5 inches over the back. Then we're gonna tack it, stick it on there. How are you gonna weld it? What are you gonna use, Mr. Dan? What are you gonna stick it with, TIG?
Yeah, I'm gonna TIG weld it.
All right. Man, what's a TIG? Is it like a flea? No, Tucker, it's how they make metal stick to metal.
Tungsten inert gas.
Daddy, what's he doing on our van? Well, baby, we're gonna have our solar put on. Your tongue feeling better this morning? It don't hurt no more. Well, good baby. Yeah. The other side clamped on the passenger side. Mr. Dan, he's now measuring 1.5 inches off that front, making sure it's good and square all the way down. He'll clamp it, then we'll start the welding. Not we, him. He will start the welding.
We'll have the dogs do it.
Tucker don't have any thumbs. He can't weld.
No.
All right.
Good.
It's on 90.
Right. Electrode tungsten.
Right?
It uses argon as a cover gas.
Correct.
It's
Keep the oxygen out of the way with the argon. You keep the oxygen out of the way with the argon.
Exactly. And it runs on AC, alternating current, high frequency alternating current.
So you heat it up and stick the rod in and make your puddles?
Right. You make the puddle with a torch first. You don't touch the tungsten to the work. It stays off the work. You don't touch the rod to it either. Make a puddle, add the filler rod.
Stuck it. Did it 3 times. Move the TIG over here in front of the van. Now Mr. Dan, he's gonna stick this side. We got it.
You just need to get up there and touch them with a grinder a little bit, make sure they're flush with the top surface up there.
All right.
And they'll be ready to go.
Pulled outside. We're going to use this forklift to lift the solar panels up on here. And then I want to screw it and bolt it on while I'm here. I'll drill out the holes, put in the bolts, tighten up the bolts while I'm here. That's what I was trying to say. You didn't say it very good, did you? How you like those new stickers? Boy, they're selling like hotcakes. I'm gonna have to order more, and I ordered a bunch. Man, what are you doing? I'm gonna take those solar panels, put them on those forks, then we're gonna lift them up here. Be a lot easier for us. Man, you're brilliant. I know. Don't work hard, work smart. All right. Use Mr. Dan's forklift. Got the panels right here. Tucker, you need to film this. I can't film this and hand panels at the same time. You know I ain't got no thumbs. Oh yeah. Fit like a glove.
Yes, if it needs a little support, a little bit more.
This little love tap will get it. Okay, panels are on. There she is. And I did check the vent cover, and the cover can open up and the fan works. Okay. I moved the van over this truck box right here. Mr. Dan's done with what he's going to do, but I'm going to use his yard right here, and I'm going to run some nuts and bolts in there and tighten this thing down. Well, the bolts I bought were too short. So Mr. Dan, he had some that were a little bit longer. I can't believe it's taking that, but that's what it's taking, that's what I'm putting on. 2 more of this side. Got these on. Don't expect that's gonna come off. Man, are you ever gonna get done? Yeah, Tuck, just finishing up now. There she is, all mounted. I just got to take some tape my wires up there for now. There she is. 915 watts of solar. I'll be hooking up the rest soon. Here's the passenger side. Look at all that shade. Look at them babies. Yeah, okay. I'm not sure how long this video's run now, but I'm going to end this one right here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Hey, we'll see you again soon. I promise. Little bit by little bit, I'm getting it. You guys take care. Bye-bye.